Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Opila Chick from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes with 2 circles at the top. Now inside, let's draw another circle in each eye. And now let's color both of these inner circles in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the beak. Let's start down in the center, and let's draw a curve down to the left, and then down to the right. Now from the bottom, let's curve it in on both sides, leaving a small gap in the middle. Now let's curve it down, coming to a point. And lastly, underneath each side, let's draw a curve down, like this. And that's it for the beak. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top, and let's draw a curve down, and then bring it in under the beak here. And the same on the right. And lastly, for the head, let's draw 3 feathers on the top. Let's start in the middle, and let's draw a curve up to the left and back down. Same thing on the right and on the left. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the headlines, and let's draw a curve down on both sides. Then let's move outside under the head, and let's draw another curve down and back up, forming the wings. Next, let's start under the wings, and let's draw a curve across for the bottom of the body. Next, let's hop down and add the legs. Underneath on the left, let's draw 2 lines down, and the same on the right. Now from the bottom, so let's draw angles down and out. Then 2 angles in the middle. The angle at the top and bottom on both feet, forming 3 toes. And lastly, let's close off the end of each toe. And that's it for the Opila Chick. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!